Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Guess what? Trees are killing your roof. Nobody wants to hear it, but that's the truth. Trees which overhang a roof contribute directly to the destruction of those roofing shingles. Here's how. Moss and lichen spores drop from the tree branches onto the roof shingles, where they're happy to thrive in the shade and moisture provided by the same overhanging branches. Over time, but not overnight as some homeowners claim, the spores grow into mosses and lichens and it's all downhill from there. Mosses push up on the edge of the shingles, which then lift up, catch the wind, and break during our coastal storms. Lichens, and there's thousands of types, actually feed upon the protective outer layer of the shingles. That damage is irreversible. Here on Cape Cod, we see far more roofs destroyed by moss and lichen than by, quote, old age. So the question then becomes, how do I keep my roof clean? First and foremost, keep those trees trimmed back. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, just hire an insured local professional. Want to know other ways? Check out these videos or visit our website.